Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to enter Fastboot Mode. Fastboot Mode is a diagnostic protocol for Android devices that allows user to interact with the bootloader from computer to modify system software. In order to enter it, firstly restart your smartphone by going to Power menu and select Restart, and now keep holding Power button and Volume Up button. Release them when you see Android, and here you can reboot or enter recovery mode. In Reboot, you can update software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, or restart the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.